Kangyaksiripin. Kangyaksiripin. I understand you. Kangyaksiripin.
I was saying North Slope Kangyaksirudin, and Kangyaksirudin sounds like it is similar to that.
Kangyaksiripin.
Not that it has to be, but
we would still say that the same. Kangyaksirudin, we would just soften that R sound a little bit. Kangyaksirudin, you understand.
Oh, really?
So, yeah,
you understand.
Kangyaksirudin.
Yeah.
Kangyaksirudin.
So that ZR, even a lot of people who don't spell things with ZR, that ZR is just that soft sound instead of that harder.
Yeah, I always use that sirunga. Kangyaksirudin. Kangyaksirunga.
Well, I remembered to record. I should I think when I was at the Head Start, they taught me Ola Tingnaziga. Let's start. See if I probably wrote it down, but I should put it in the chat because it's one of those good phrases that we always use. Ilisima viung una susok Ola Tingnaziga.
It makes sense and it sounds right, but it's not one that I knew before. But everything you say kind of resonates and aligns with the parts. I recognize those parts of the word, and it's a
how did you say it, Anouk?
Oh, here it is. Oh wait, Ola Tingnaziga.
Ola.
Oh yeah. That's what I think John taught me that one. There's another one.
Oh yeah, Ola Tingnaziga.
Let's start. Get started. There was another one too, like let's get started again.
Tingnaziga Tiutani. Ola.
But they used a post space in the verb, in the whole verb. Anyway, oh yeah. Oh wait, no, that's not it. Anyway, Ola Tingnaziga. Oh good, Chelsea's here.
They go.
Hi Chelsea. Bigugiga Inupiaq sininin. I forgot your Inupiaq name. Can you Inupiatun suli? Wait, maybe I'll wait for her to come. Can you Inupiaq sinin?
Pina Inupiaqtan.
So I think this will be good because I don't think you all were here for the first lesson, but we learned kitungorang, panirang, pikpikikpin, pikpikparikpin, pikpikliogikpin, ilumutun. And I think Suzuk, you were saying it would be like that,
It would be the before the after the Tadaji.
Uiviilaut.
And then I after I so I wasn't there for the first one, but I was there for a review, and I asked Georgianne about this phrase because I keep hearing it, and then but they would often say nakoarigvin instead, and so I asked about it. She said nakoarigvin we would do for both I like you and I love you, and piakpeigvin would be more of a I care for you. So there, it's not wrong, but the nuances of how they would interpret it at home for this. So Norton Sound seems to use this more distinctly for love. And then when I asked about it for Shish, she said it would feel more like I care for you. It's not inappropriate, but that's how she would describe the translation of piak pari.
Mm-hmm.
Pay
Ooh.
be respectful, right? Piakpeig.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Seems like there's different nuances of the word.
Yeah,
And I
like
think Chelsea,
for love too.
I think
Yep.
Chelsea is from Norslop, so I'll also do Norslop.
Yeah, pikparik.
Erning, paning, pikpagikpin, pikpagibialakikpin, pikpaginarikpin te munga, asi una kitungorang, kikiktamyutun, erning, paning, panirang, asi una kikiktamyutun, pikpegigvin, Norslop, pikpagikikpin, kikiktamyutun, pikpagikpin, pikpagibialakikpin, kikiktamyutun, pikpehugigvin, asi Norslop, pikpaginyarikpin, o pikpaginyarikpin te munga, kikiktamyutun, pikpehugigvin, ilumutun, asi uva atokslio gia kiktamyutun, kitungorang, panirang, pikpegigvin, pikpagikpin, pikpehugigvin, ilumutun, asi Norslop, atokniagiga, erning, paning, pikpagikpin, pikpagibialakikpin, pikpaginyarikpin te munga, asi akang uktoarukpiung una kikiktamyutun,
Anangorang. Kitungorang. Anangoraka. Pani, it would be my daughter. Paniraka.
panirang,
Kitungorang. Panirang. Pik. Nakuaribagikpin. Nakuariboranyarikpin. Ilumutun.
yoy.
I'm just trying my best to just say it the way I would
New
say.
way. Suzuk uktorpium, aturpium.
Shucks, I don't have my notes. Can I read it?
E. Ujiak. Ujiaru.
Ujiarupiung.
But like, how would you say? Can you read it, or like in a nice way, like ujiak?
Ujiaklu. You want to read it? Or read it? Ujiaklu.
Oh, ujiaklu.
Ujiaklu.
E. Ujiaklu.
Tayton ngorang. Pirperipin. Pirperipin. Pirperlioripin. Ilumutun. I always forget the last one.
Mahusap.
Asi suli.
Wanga?
Ina.
One.
Susok.
Tayton ngorang.
Okay. Ki. Uktuarupiung.
Kina uktuakliokpa.
Oh, susok.
Oh.
Mm.
Oh.
Ardia. Okay.
You could, if you don't remember, we'll help you.
Yeah.
What?
Tayton
Tayton ngorang.
ngorang. Pirperipin. Pirperparipin. Pirperlioripin. Temunga. Mix and match.
Atugu minyak. Wait. Atugu minyak tu din. Temunga mek. Naga ilumutun mek.
I forgot Ilumudun, but I remember Temunga. Puso's mark. Puso's mark.
Mahusap to.
Actually, let's say it's understandable anyway. How would you say? It's understandable anyway.
It's rude. We understand it.
Maybe I have a feeling Chelsea might swallow Chelsea kamuti doctor. Maybe Chelsea's driving. But Chelsea, if you could hear, feel free to let me know if you want to participate in anything. It's also okay just to listen.
Yeah, if I could listen, my son's he's having a lot of fun right now, and very much I'm being distracted. So we're just listening. If that's okay. Sorry.
Mahusap.
No, Nakuja, that's good. Ilisa Leo Gigutani. Let's review again. Ilisa Leo Gigutani. Petungak, petungorang. Panik, panirang. Anangang. Oh. Biglui Adausik N. Aka, Akang, Adata, Adatang. Akang, Ujiarupiung.
Okay. Kitungak. Kitungorang. Panik. Panirang. Ananga. Ananga. Anangan. Anangang. Aka. Akang. Atata. Atatang.
Bilruratudin. Asisuzuk. Ujiarupiung.
Ujiak tunga. Tayton ngak. Kajunngorang, kajungang, panik, panik, paning, panisang, anangang, anangorang, ananga, aga, agang, atada, atatang. Every time you talk to your mom, I always perk up because lots of my relatives call me that. Akang.
Yeah, Akka. You're Akka.
I'm named after our Akka, so I'm Akka to everybody, and it's lots of fun to hear you address your mom naturally in the ways that I'm also used to hearing.
Just like we used to call our grandpa Atata, Andrew Taktu. He really was our Ava, but he was Atata, and my grandma on my dad's side was Akka, so we always called her Akka too.
Mhm.
We follow through with our parents' names like that. So Akka, you're Akka.
Mhm.
Ako Raka. Anangang.
Yeah,
Panira ka to. Ano?
one of my goals is to have Dash address me as Akang, and so Freddie and I will reinforce it whenever he says thank you. So like he'll like whenever we want him to say Kuyanak, we'll add Akang. So Kuyanak Akang. So I'm trying to let him learn that real affectionate way of addressing a mom or a susok.
Anybody named after her. There's lots of Akkas at home and lots of Atats. Because we're all named after
Yeah.
those people that are so important to our families.
Is Ako wrong and Aunt Anok in Kirtamu?
Older sister.
Oh,
Ako Raka.
yeah.
I'd have to look it up.
Yeah, I think it is Akorak.
I reckon.
Asoran would be like auntie.
Mhm.
Oh, Asorak. I remember Dad.
And then
Asorak is aunt. Akorak is your older sister?
I think so.
Yeah, I think so.
I'm gonna look it up while I'm gonna pull up my dictionary so we could reference it.
Oh my God.
Kitkutukoa Akang. Atoglugu ang.
Oh. To Wigalu, Wangalu, Panigalu, Kitingoragalu.
Dabra. Susokupto Bium Kitkutukoa.
Milan, Wiza, how would you say? Paniwa, Suli, Kitun, I don't know.
Gigit ka. Susum gigit ka.
Azil. Sabi nga. Kanyakli nga. Wag mami.
Suza Lane Aglan Kiningilane. Akupak Pakmapak Kinigikvin.
Tiku. Let's see. Ibzak tu nga Ilan, Uiza, Paniwa, Suli, Kitunga, Kito. How would Kitunwa? Is that how I would say? Her daughter, her son, her husband, her.
Itunga.
Kitunga. Kitunga. Paniwa. Pania.
Ania. Ania.
Wisa, I always hear all the time.
Wiga.
Oh, cool.
Wiga. Nulega.
And when I'll tell a quick story too. So when I was trying to model Fanny Akpik's teaching method that we learned at the Inupiaq Language Summit in Kotzebue, I did a modified, simplified version where there was me, somebody, Georgianne and Mina were in the room while I was trying to do mine, his, yours. And I said, I would have said paninga, winga, nganga, everything with the N with a tail. And they all look at me, what you trying to say? And all of a sudden in the moment I had to learn that the way we say somebody else's anything was different. And so I still really enjoy and struggle with trying to use that.
Yeah. I was hoping we could use like it would be easy or it would make sense to use what we just went over, but I like the idea of making it more challenging and then learning because that's something we need to learn. Wiza, Kitunga, Nulia, Banya, or Banya.
Ania.
Banya.
Oh, Banya.
Itunga.
Wisa.
Wisa.
Deku, Deku Ilisauti Gamga. Thank you for teaching me. But how would you say you two? Thank you two for teaching me. Akang. Deku Ilisauti Gakma.
Ilisauti.
Yeah.
Ma. Ilisauti Zak. Ilisautik. Ilisauterik.
What's the first, what's the one person?
Ilisauti Gangma, I think.
Ilisauti.
And then actually no, I think Ilisauti Gakma is one person.
So Dagma.
I have it somewhere.
That photo was in Utrecht.
Yeah. If you don't mind, I'm gonna do a little okay, so Ilisauti Gakma, Koenavak Ilisauti Gakma. So to think one person, Ilisauti Gakma, Deku Ilisauti Gakma, But what is what it is for two people is what we're still trying to figure out.
So if we're doing when you teach me, is that the would that be the translation? So I looked up my so we did a workshop, a weekend workshop on intransitive endings with Elise Sakatibut. And so I took that Kalas endings for Inupiatun and put them in a chart. So iliso tigap nga might be the when you teach me to one person, and then if that's the right ending for what we need, then the two people would be iliso tigap tinga.
Oh,
But that's I don't know if that's the right one we're looking for, but if that's the one we're looking for, then that's the that's how you go from 1 to 2. You two
could
teaching.
you Aglagulugu chat
Mhm.
mun?
Mhm.
Aglago yung chat mun?
Mhm.
Akma. Really so.
I don't know if that's the right way to put that base word with the endings, but if it's right, yeah.
I was real impressed with the charts that you have on your page, and it was real fun to look through them. And another thing we could do is like, I think we talked about it a long time ago, but like create like pick a bunch of verb stems and then go through that and like have a bunch of examples of like you know, verbs that we use commonly, and just have like examples so people could practice them. Oh, ilisaw tigaptinga.
Tigaptinga.
Teku
Tigap.
Actually, it's
susu.
Really so.
a dotted G.
Okay.
I'll fix it.
Tinga.
Oh, let me see. But it might only be a dotted G because the example had a Q. I bet you it's a regular G.
Okay. Ilisaw tigaptinga. Teku susuklu nulukutaklu ilisaw tigaptinga. Fun. I can't remember. I think this is the one you were here for because I noticed we corrected that geek thing. But now let's Ilisagikutani. Let's review these. Igiagikpin ilumutun. Igiagilachliogikpin. Munagikpin ilumutun. Munagitwinachliogikpin. Igiagikpin ilumutun. Igiagilachliogikpin. Munagikpin ilumutun. Munagitwinachliogikpin. Nulukutak atuguk
Yung
bigik.
igagik. Iagilik. Well, say the first one again. Cuddling.
Igiagikpin
Igiagikpin ilumutun. Igilaliorigpin. Munarigpin ilumutun. Tuinya Lirigvin. Munari.
Atulutak.
Usiak sinaktat ka.
Atulutak tutin. Aturuk yung susuk.
Aha, okay. Ikiaripin ilumutun. Ikiarilaklirigvin. Munaripin ilumutun. Munarituinak lioripin.
Yoy.
Munarituinak.
Lirigvin.
Yay!
Yay. Pidwata sutisi.
Ilisau tiang. Ilisau. Tiganga. Ilisau tigang.
Tiganga. Iliso tiganga.
How we say I learned. I learned something new today.
Isatunga.
Ilitunga, maybe?
Ilitunga. Ilisatunga. Yeah, I learned them. Ilitia. Ilitia. Ilitia.
Oh. Ilitkea.
Ilitia. Yeah, I learned.
But that implies I already learned them instead of I got to see something new today that I'm gonna learn.
I learned something cool from Edna that I'm trying to find.
Ilitatka. Ilitatka.
I think she taught me ilichik baktunga ilignun. So ilignun, like from you.
Oh, from you?
Right? What would it be? Kikikdam yutun.
Ilipnun.
Lipnun.
Oh yeah, ilipnun.
I hear it
So,
in songs all the time.
So saying like I learned. Oh yeah. Oh wait, sorry. Ilichik bangarunga ilirnin. Is what she taught me. So maybe we'll translate that.
How is it? Ilichik baktunga.
Ilichik bangarunga ilirnin. Not ilirnun. I learned a lot from you. Yeah. So Kikikdamyutun might be Ili Saba.
Yung ilipnin. Ilipnin. Ilipnin.
Ilisabak tunga ilipnin.
I would put 2 A's. Ilisabak. Ilisabak tunga.
Oh yeah.
Ilipnin.
And then I used to write like this with K's, and then more recently, he didn't used to do it long ago, but more recently Uncle John changes all of our K's to G's, so we assimilate the opposite way. Then North Slope, Ilisabak.
Oh.
And change the K to a G. Ilisabak tunga. It's still it still mostly sounds the same, but it
written differently in our dialect.
But I think it goes with that same paper that we need to study. Our assimilation rules are opposite of North Slope.
Yeah. The
Wow.
V and the P, was it?
Mhm.
Of each other.
I always can never make sense of those. When and where they end up, because
You get used to it after a
Mhm.
while. Once you
Mhm.
learn the dialect, and then you could switch it easily to Shishmarth once you learn. Because when I
I
was
love
Arrow too, I used to want to say it my way, like, but
Mhm.
I have to say it their way.
Mhm. Mhm. Try as much as possible, huh?
It
on
had to be that way.
recordings. I might just sing it quick. Egliri bin, egliri bialak bin, egliri narik bin ataramek, kunurik bin, kunu bialak bin, kunu narik bin ataramek. Dang, I see I need to make a correction on this. I don't know, I just love learning multiple dialects at once.
Sometimes it's helpful actually to solidify, huh? Even though sometimes it's real confusing. Sometimes it helps.
Yeah. It seems to me
Yeah.
like Northwest Arctic School District and North Slope have the same, like some parts of it, but it changes though with Northwest, right? Anoke with ch, ch.
Yeah, yeah, there's there's similarities between
Three.
like there's similarities between North Slope and Northwest Arctic, and then there's similarities between Northwest Arctic and Seward Peninsula. Like
Mhm.
you can almost kind of see like there's like a continuum of like sharing knowledge across regions. But um let's see. Um I'm tempted to go into in the next unit, Akidurok, that was cool to learn. Iglignak uvaptignun, Iglignak uvamnun, Iglikpakipin, Iglikpakiptirin. Let's see. I'm gonna go to the next the next unit just so we could. I like to do reviews because
It reminds
it,
us,
yeah, and like
reinforces.
ideally I want people to be using this like so they have the confidence to okay, let me see. I'm real curious. Ilisalyo Dani. Kanok mumik pa nalok mutun. So anyone here can pick any phrases we see, and it's actually in first it's in Mutun and then North Slope, but feel free to translate into English. So this is just kind of like
opposite.
You could pick out whatever one that like jumps out at you. But this is like a little way to review things that we've already covered. I wonder if I'm gonna put numbers. The bolded one is a bonus because it's hard.
Lanak.
Wanga wanga. Let me see. Uktuar, 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 uktuar. Uktuar. Yeah.
Tuahupika.
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 Elaine. Cuddle. The hardest one. I skip it. Malug. Uiviilaut. My little boy. My little kid. My little kid. Atata. Dad. Preparing bean. I love you. I care for you. Inyakunak. Cute. I asked my mom that not too long ago. I used to use it before. I used to use it all the time on our group chats, and then I forgot how. I had to ask her recently, so I recognize that even though we didn't cover it today. Ilanak, friend. Elaine, I care for you. I will take care of you. I take care of you. I take care of you.
Kunilakpin. I kiss you.
Kunu.
Routine. You're precious.
Yeah.
And then uvamnun, we would say wangnun. Wangnun.
Yeah.
N-U-N wangnun. I hear it all the time. Routine wangnun. Munakitoy na liorigvin. I will take care of you often. That's what I learned today. Tuinak. Tuinali.
Yeah.
Tuinali origvin. Munakitoy I will take care of you often, all the time. No.
Yeah. Awesome. Holy cow. I was like thinking people would just pick a few at a time, but you did the whole thing.
I couldn't do two of them, but they're familiar, so it's so fun to reassure that that I know more than I think sometimes.
Yeah, I'll have to do more of these.
Elaine is cuddle you. Elaine.
Elaine is let me cuddle you. Elaine, Kuniklein,
Nick.
Elaine, let me, Munarilain, let me take care of you, Munarilain. Akang utopyong naga kangik
Kangik
kangik kangik sigitin.
Yeah.
You understand them? Kangik sigitin, is that how we say it?
Uiviilaut. My precious child. Uiviilaut. Tata, Dad, Appa, Dad, Bekparigvin, Bekparigvin, I love you, or I care for you. Inyakunak, Hatai is so cute. Munarit Duinalirigvin, I shall still take care of you. Ilanak, friend. Inak, ilamak.
Ilamak.
Oh, ilamak. Oh, Ilanak, ilamak. Oh, okay. Munarilain, I will take care of you.
Let
Kunu,
me.
oh, let me. Kunulakbin. Kunulakbin.
This one is let me talk cooingly to you in North Slope.
Kunu.
Kunulakbin.
It's kunulakbin. Kunu.
Yeah.
Kunu.
Kunu.
So in Shishmraf, it's almost like kunu lakbin.
I don't know. Georgian said we don't really have a verb for kunu.
What
But-
in North Slope, the English for it again?
Let me talk cooingly to you.
Oh,
Oh, I
oh.
would. It's not the same, but we use nunak all the time. So I think
Yeah, I think Nunak is ours.
it
we
might
always
not be
do.
a direct translation, but it's something that's used enough that would be worth adding to your list. Maybe.
Nunak.
Yeah, it's actually it's in the next unit, nunak.
Oh, okay.
But maybe you could parenthesize it there. Like, I don't know.
I don't
Maybe
think
next
the
one.
same, I don't think it's the same thing. It's close, but it's I don't think
Mhm.
Okay, so that, well, we're curious now.
You know who you should ask, even though it's even though they're different, is Yayuk, because if King Island has something for that, ours might be the same, or ours might get triggered by hearing what she says. That's
yeah.
because there's lots when I ask, lots of stuff from North Slope don't are not, they don't make sense down here. But then later when they come up with something without having the other Inupiaq, that will, they might come up with something, and then anything in the Bering Strait region, they might trigger in a different way a response. They might initiate a response in a different way if you ask Yayuk what they might say in King Island, or if we ask somebody who does Koerak.
Yeah. So Kunulakbin deserves more homework on behalf of all of us.
So,
So fun. So fun.
Yeah. Real fun to like
can you say that in English, number 9? What is it? Like,
let me talk cooingly to you.
Like baby talk, really.
Like I almost feel like it's like getting at a certain pitch when you talk to a baby. Like nunak is more like you could kunu while you're nunacking, but nunak is more broad than kunu. Like kunu is more specific to like the pitch almost. Like when you coo at someone,
like
you use like like you're like
kunuraga. I think I heard my mom say kunuraga, like really kunuraga. Kunuraga. I don't know. Yeah, we'll have to look into that. Kunulakbin. 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 Kunuraga. I heard my mom say something like kunuraga. Like really cooing. Kunuraga. Well, maybe I could try to ask her too. No.
Suva una Arnaya Naomi. Suva una
Agnorak.
Agnora.
We learned that last time.
I'm gonna go through it again.
Oh,
Igit. Oh
no.
wait, actually no, I'll start from here. Igit kalain. Igit kalain.
Ikikikal.
Yakhilakpin. Kunikalain. Kuniklakpin. Igit kadarigvin. Ekinyarikpin. Igit kirvin. Ekit kikpin.
Kun-
Kunigadarikpin. Kunirnyarikpin. Oh wait. Kunikikpin. Kunikikpin. Ilisalio hikutani. Irit kalain. Ikilakpin. Kunikalain. Or kunikalain. Kuniglakpin. Igit kadarigvin. Ekinyarikpin. Igit kigvin. Ekikpin. Kunigadarikpin. Kunirnyarikpin. Kunikikpin. Kunikpin. Akang. Suvauna agnorak.
Ikikarirok. Ikikarirok. Ikikariva. Was it? Want a hug?
Igit kadarigvin.
Ikikadarigvin.
Igit
Ikikadarigvin.
kadarigvin. Igit kigvin.
Ikikigvin. Ikikarirok.
Asi
Kunigu.
suvaun.
Kunisuktok. Kuniksimarok. Siga.
Kunikadarigvin.
Kunikadarigvin.
Kunikigvin. Or no, kunikikvin. Suzuk uktorukpiu. Suvauna agnorak.
Irit kalain. Is it?
Achan. Close.
Naluso nga.
Nagushok. Igit kadarigvin. I am going to hug you. Igit kadarigvin. I think my question should be, what will she do in order for that to make sense? So,
Liyok pa.
suliok pa.
Liyok pa. Irit kadarigvin. Irit kadarigvin. Or irit kadarigvin.
Igit kadarigvin. Asi, I wonder how you would say, is she hugging you?
Let's see. I got that.
Okay.
Maybe this is a learning opportunity for us. How would you say, Mom, how would you say, are you hugging, wait.
Yung?
Vatin.
Oh, are you saying it? Are you hugging her? Are you trying to ask me?
Well, I'm trying to figure out what would be the question that would have someone say, Igit gigavin. Like, the answer would be I am hugging you. So the question would be, are you hugging me? Maybe?
Is it having?
Erik Katarati? Erik Katarati? No me?
Kativinga? Are you hugging?
Oh,
Are you saying that? Is it
yeah.
Kativinga?
Maybe it would be Erit
Kativinga?
Binga.
Erit Binga? No, Erit Kativinga? Are you hugging me? Erit
And
Kativinga?
then would the answer be Erit Kiravin?
Erit Kirivin. Erit
Erit
Kativinga?
Binga? Erit
Erit
Binga?
Erit Kativinga or Erit Binga? Erit Binga. So, Erit Kativium, are you hugging that person? Are you saying?
Erik
Are you
No, I think it would be, are you hugging me?
Erit
And then,
Kativinga?
yeah,
About Vinga? Erit Kativinga?
yeah, maybe. Erit Kativinga Erit
Kativinga.
Kiravin.
Anoki, you want me to share my little chart for this thing,
Sure.
or would it be helpful?
Yeah. Let me see. I might have to. Okay. Oh, good.
So we got Erik Kativinga right here, and then Erik Kativinga, and then so for you to her, you to me, and then what was the
Vixinga?
yeah, and then me to you would be over here.
Me to you. Okay.
Avium?
Oh, that's why I can't.
Vinga?
Ooh, okay.
Kivinga? Kivituk? Us two?
Erik
Queen
Kativinga.
Yeah.
I always jump between this and the other one, and so down here, there's the answers in the affirmative, and there's the question, and then the negative, which to me always is missing.
Yeah.
There's the let me, there's the let if, and then the commands telling people, and then when this is what I was looking at earlier when we were talking about Ilisati. But here's our question.
Yeah. So
And then here's our answer.
Nice.
cool. I love how we're like building the lessons together.
Suzuk,
Like
is anybody teaching these?
Atta,
From our region?
atta.
Nawak por guak simarut. Ang iluak simat you. Good.
We-
Good.
we are now.
Oh yeah, we are now.
Well, and this is my thought, and I continue to assert this. We need to learn our endings. Once we learn our endings, everything else will fall into place real quick. So we always learn our verbs and our base words first, And then we all get stuck, us second language learners, we all get stuck on not understanding. Like what I say is, I could understand what people are talking about, but I can't understand what they're saying. And if we start from our endings, then all of a sudden we could communicate, I think, because the meaning comes from that ending. And we always miss it. So anyway,
Yeah.
that's my thought. And I could stop
I
sharing
think
and go back to yours.
well, I think Susan and maybe Mom, one of our projects should just be like, let's write curriculums for our endings. Like let's, that would be so fun.
I think if we prioritize the order, because the thing is, it's so overwhelming, like we don't know how to prioritize what is important to learn. There is just too much, and we keep trying to do all
Yeah.
we try to learn all of the questions instead of focus on the few critical ones that would give us the most bang for our buck. If we prioritize what we need to learn first, I mean, that's been my goal and wish and dream, is we figure out what is most important to learn first, because I think that's our only biggest hang up. We got lots of beautiful learning, but somehow we never transfer into communicating.
Yeah, I forget if it was the
I say it just the way I learned it from, I hear it, from the elders. They say it.
And you got it, but us, we're not exposed to it, so we don't even know what to pull up. But since I grew up hearing it, when I hear it, it's like, okay, that makes more sense. You know what I mean? Like when I hear
it makes sense too.
Yep, it resonates. It's like, okay, that sounds like the language I grew up hearing, but we can't come up with it until we hear it. And for those that aren't immersed in at least hearing, because I heard it without understanding, but people who never heard it at all can't tell the difference between what makes sense and sounds right versus sounds almost right. That's what I think too.
Yeah.
And
Awesome.
as much as it sounds wrong, I think worksheets would really help. If we just write some of these things and start to let them patterns. I mean, some worksheets, and then after we do, like, we have a mix of written and verbal. Because it's overwhelming verbally for us old people. Old people older than 5th grade old people.
So like one idea I have is the way that I wrote my master's thesis is I selected endings, and I taught them, I taught one ending in like 3 to 4 lessons, because there's variance for every ending depending on what the verb stem ends with. And so I think also we just need to develop like a bunch of mini lessons, and just focus, I mean, like one ending at a time, right? And like get the ending down. Like right now you guys have used given how many times? Maybe 6. And I think you guys got it, and now we have to do the rest. And that's okay if it takes time, right? But like I think worksheets too are good, because I like the idea of teaching like not explicit grammar, but allowing people to see patterns and figure it out on their own. Like I feel like that is like way more empowering learning than like going like teaching it grammar, like, but
I think it's so important we work on this, Susuk and Anok, Kikaktamu, our way.
We should do our own project, and maybe we're all busy right now, but like part of this parent group, like teaching children, we should make our own little curriculum with these endings. And I know that, like, I forget if it's the Canadians or Greenlanders who took out all the dual They didn't do
Wow.
any of the dual, and they just did like first person, third person to like just make sure people understood those concepts.
I'll add, so my thought on that is that we probably don't have to go that extreme, but what I think we need to do is let that be our last. So we start with singular, we start with plural, and then we do dual last. So like we don't have to go in order 1, 2, 3. We could go 1, 3, 2. And then the other thing though is when we're talking about young couples or when we're talking about babies, sometimes we might just need to be immersed in dual anyway, because you know the pairs come, like we can't ignore it. But I think if we solidify the basics by just doing one, and then because dual is so much more complicated, that we just really know and understand one and then plural, then after that, then we could start to make the adjustment from plural to dual. Because more
Yeah.
often than not, they always have an extra thing, like even akpik, akpi, like, and then nanok. It's not even just nanok, nanuk, nanut, it's nanuk. I mean, and even for us, which we don't put a double consonant very often, but we do on that one, you know. So there's just so many extra rules that we're not ready for. I say if we just ignore it for like the first couple months, just know that it's there, but ignore it.
I think though it's good to mention it when we're working together like this. When I said vinga, you know, it caught your eye about what you be looking into and teaching us where it stands. That's another way of learning as we go along, which is important. You know, in a short period of time we're recognizing these important endings and you know that come up. It's awesome with you too, Suzuk. It's it really takes a lot of our headache away. Like we're confident now.
For real, man.
So confident in Inupiaq would be what?
Diku ilisaut tigap tinga. Diku ilisaut tinga.
Let's see.
Designate. Isuk, want to, confident, designate, bungalo.
So one thing that one thing I don't like, that I took me a long time to realize, was I was trying to say we can, we will. That was my theme of let's speak Inupiaq, we can, we will. And then so I would always say Inupiaq, what is it? Pilrujud. And then nobody ever really said anything. But eventually I think I finally picked up on it. Pilrujud would be not as much we will do it habitually, or we can do it. It's like I'm actually really good at this. And I was just like, shucks, that's not what I was trying to say. So Pilrujud doesn't really mean more like we're real good at it.
Yeah.
And so I'm used to hearing
Pilgurungalo. Confident. Pilgurungalo. And then Pilgurungalo. I am also. And Pilgurungalo.
I might have to take care of my kids soon, but I just wanna spend maybe a few minutes. Oh my gosh.
I was just going to show you that one time when I was finding this. I just wrote them all out, trying to write the just to put it all together for myself. And it was really, this is where I said I don't believe in writing as an activity. But once I was doing it, it was helping to solidify my brain a little bit. So I just tried to write I tried to put all the endings together, the positive, the affirmative and the negative just next to each other. And it took that much and it still wasn't everything. But anyway, just something to share. So I would really love to approach this together, make a plan, figure out some ways to get started.
So this is so important that we get together like this. This is awesome. Anouk, thank you for letting us.
Sure want to read your thing.
Yeah, we're solving real complex puzzles together.
Especially Inupiatun too.
But I do like to kind of end my classes with application. So like now that we've reviewed a bunch of material on speaking to children, I kind of like to check in about like how you'll like what's your plan to use it with your family and in your home. And then maybe I'll just start, maybe I'll go real quick, but I know just for me, teaching the material is even though I wrote this how many years ago, I only use some of it with my kids, but coming back and teaching it, it's like reinforcing it in my brain. And so like one of the things that I've been saying a lot more with my kids is Atikaa, and Igiarilain, like let me cuddle you, let me hug you, and Kunikalain too. So and then even though I've always sang the Pikbagi Ikpin song in North Slope to my son and to my kids, I've started doing more Higikdamitun. So that's been really really good. So anyway, I always try to, because I feel like learning the material is one thing, and it's almost easier to learn the material. What's hard is actually bring it into your real life. And like having accountability to do that is such an important part of this work, I think. But I guess take a few minutes to kind of like think about like how you want to apply what we've been learning into your own home, and who do you want to benefit from this language? Inya Sivuliopa, who wants to go first?
I know that Ilisimarunga Inupiaq Suplui Tuteizatka Inmata when they're with me. Inupiaquktatka Asin Kinihapti Nag Kanik Kapki Lu Inupiatun Kaniksuktatka Ilisakuktatka Nagwatun sama Ilisaliok Kanik Mata Inupiatun Inaklu Izuman Atoklu Inupiatun Sulihamin, when you're doing things, when I went back to Alaska, Kanikama, somebody said, "You don't speak like you're from New England." I said, "Nope, I just think Inupiaq." Inupiatum kisimi inaklu. I think that way in everything I do, everything, It's only because I could relate to our own important ways of life. So it's important to think about it all the time and think, it will never leave you once you stick with Inupiaq, no matter what. Tatra.
Ooh.
So one of the things I've done is pulled back out my little notebooks, and I just folded paper together so that they're easy to get and put and start writing. And I asked my extended family, but I haven't circled back to it. Everybody was real busy at the time, who would want to meet with me. And we got some interest, but we haven't committed to a time. And I think what's really helpful for me, and is to have those designated times that we just hold sacred to put things together. And the other piece is I actually realize I personally need to chart and write and get things organized. It helps as I figure out how to organize it on paper. It helps me to figure out how to organize things in my head, and then it gives me a place to go back to. So I think one of the first steps for me is to organize the information that we were getting today. And I think one of the things I really want to do is have the let me that we've been practicing, and then the me and you that we've been practicing. And what I noticed is when I'm around kids, and my brother's got a 1-year-old, and then my son's about to have baby. I sure hope they live here for real the first few months. Is when I'm talking to babies that I narrate. And so having both the direction stuff and then just oh, you're doing this, and how to be comfortable with the narration and then the actual interaction. And I'm going to organize the things so that I can see the different ways to do both of those things and focus on that. Anyway, so organizing things so that I could try to use them and catch what I use in English and try to ask and figure out how to do that. So my commitments are to try to figure out when we're going to meet with family where it's easy to be self-conscious. It's hard to, it doesn't feel like we're being vulnerable, but I know each of you know that we're truly for real vulnerable. It's harder to be vulnerable with our people we're closest to. And so how we set that up to get comfortable learning again and letting things come out so that it becomes everybody and not just us hardcore. So the time allowing myself to organize for myself so that and then leaving space for people to do the same. So just because I did it doesn't mean that they shouldn't have the chance or be required to. Both saying the invitations out there to do it, whatever we need on our own. We should have homework for ourselves in between our gatherings. It won't be graded, but it's what's gonna make the difference.
I know,
Iku. Wow. I really love the challenge of narrating. I've also tried narrating more, and sometimes I feel like I don't have all the language to narrate what's happening, but when you at least try it, and even if it's not right, it plants like a network in your brain to like come back to it and try again. Or anyway, I think it's really powerful. Like, and I really hope people watch these recordings because I hope it inspires people to know that we can do it, and people are doing it. And I think like part of the next step is like all the people who are involved in this group find ways to meet in person and like do it together, right?
Mhm.
But also I know it's almost 11:30, but at some point, if we want to work together and find another meeting time to focus on the endings, I'm completely open to that. And that could be like a mini project within this project. And like one of the things that I would like to see is create labels for all of our endings and then being able to mail them out to our families so that like we could have them and practice them every day wherever, whatever domain they are in their house. But anyway, I'm real Koyana Yitka. I'm just so thankful for all of you, and this is so helpful to like move the work forward and also have a sense of support as we kind of be the light, try to be the light. And it's so much easier to do that with a support system. So Atikaa, I guess Kinechlio si
Dani,
Nana kun Nagatani Naga Norso Ichik Batalu. They always say Ichik Batalu. I'll see you next Saturday.
Teku.
Iku Dani.
And I wonder, Suzo, could I ask you again maybe to do like a mini teaching session?
Yeah, I would like to.
When is like a good time for you? I can kind of broadcast it and set it up if you'd like me to.
So if Saturday